Hi everyone, Sarah back again today, and I am sharing a layout with the new Smiles kits from Mercy Tiara Kits. I have the main kit, the cardstock add-on, the embellishment kit, and the mixed media kit. I did an unboxing on my channel last week, so if you want to go watch that, you can. But this kit is jam-packed full of beautiful, bright things, and I decided I wanted to start my first layout with this kit with some of the cardstock for the cardstock add-on, and I am using the light pink background. And of course, there was a rainbow paper in here. I had to use it. I love it. It's gorgeous. And then I couldn't find my circle cutters. So I went ahead and just traced random things on my desk to make my circles out of. And I rough up the edges, so to me it really didn't matter if they were perfect or not. I just kind of use what I can while it's in front of me, because if I stop constantly to go search for things, I'm really not going to get scrapbooking done. I'm not going to be as happy with, it's going to take too long. I'm constantly drinking coffee throughout this, which is normal for almost all my videos. I went ahead and decided I wanted to cut some circles to add to these photos since my daughter is in the center of an inner tube. And I knew that my 3D foam was larger than my actual just adhesive. So I used the two of those, and then I grabbed these gorgeous puffy stickers, and I'm using Sunny Days as my title. I like the yellow. I like the way it worked. So I just went with it. Yeah, I am not sticking anything else down at the moment. I'm just kind of adding things on top, and I am going through all of these embellishments. There's so many of them, and I love it. But I was trying to figure out what I was going to do, and the fact that I used that rainbow paper in the back gave me, leeway to use whatever color I wanted on here. I am trying to, zone down? I don't know, pare down and not use everything I want to use. And I think I do pretty good. But I'm still going through things here. I know I want to use some of these, or at least parts of them. So I'm kind of making a pile to my right. I'm going to rip this piece off and layer it there, and layer a pink one over here as well. And then I'm like, oh yeah, I have flowers too. So I'm going to add some of those. Yeah, and right now I'm just kind of playing with the flowers and seeing what I want to do. And at this point, I really don't add that many. I'm just going through to see what else I think I might want. And then I'm like, okay, well, I'm going to start sticking things down. And I forgot that I had the color kit at this point. And so I actually stuck that one piece of paper down to the layout, and I am just gluing the rest of this together. I do tend to rough up the smaller pieces with my fingernail, because if I don't and I use my edge distressor, I tend to rip them. I'm a little rough, not gonna lie. I'm a bit rough, and so I end up ripping them, and I didn't want to do that with these, so I just kind of messed them up a little bit with the edge of my finger. Glued all those pieces down. I'm going to snip this one so I can use the bottom part on something else and glue this to the photo. And then I'm going to do the same with this. I'm going to glue this to the back of the photo, rough it up with my nails, same with the flowers. And then I'm going to move this, and I'm going to add some adhesive to the back of this and even peel it off. And that's when I look up and I see that I have the color kit in front of me. And so I'm using the Distressed Spritz Peacock Feathers. It is so gorgeous. The camera doesn't do it justice at all. But the coloring is just beautiful, and I love the way they mix up. I'm ready to play with them some more to see what I can do with them. So here I already had peeled the backing off of this, so I'm going to go ahead and stick it down. And I decided there's my little, these are like water wipes, I think is what they're called, that I have. And I use them to wipe up the top of my desk all the time when I use mixed media. And glue. The glue tends to stick a little more, and I have to actually scrape it off. But yeah, I used some 3D foam from my stash and popped up my photos and like the whole cluster that all of those were done on. And then I'm just messing with the stickers. This is the puffy stickers, and I grabbed this little rainbow and added it up there. I don't think I add any more of these foam stickers. Foam, not puffy. But I do grab some more of these flowers and kind of add it underneath the days and kind of connect it over to where that other tag is. And then I rough these edges up and like roll them. And then I'm like, oh, they won't go where I want them to. Well, duh, because you just rolled them. So you kind of have to pick up a little bit on it, Sarah. Yeah, I was doing really good with that. I'm going to add glue to the back of this and go ahead and stick them down. And I thought I am going to stick this tag down there. I thought I might use the sequins. I decided against the sequins and I grabbed the cute little puffy stickers that are in the kit. And I use quite a few of the hearts and stars and just kind of place them willy-nilly around the layout. I just kind of put them where I feel like they need to be at the time and just continue from there, honestly. And I think at this point, I'm going to stick this. This is just a branding strip. I roughed it up and I'm going to stick this at the bottom of the layout, if I can get words correct. And yeah. And that finishes this layout. I really hope that you enjoyed this. This kit is gorgeous. Go check out the website. I think we sold out of the main kit. But check out the website. Make sure to sign up if you want to be a part of the kit club so you don't miss out on a kit again. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.